at my place.
Okay.
Okay, so tell
Himachal
me
Pradesh, it's a nice.
day today.
Yeah, yesterday we said that we will discuss about social media advantages and disadvantages of social media.
Yes, yes. I was about to tell you that we are going to discuss about this topic. And yesterday I enjoyed the session with you because I feel you are good in English and you put the questions very well. So I enjoyed the session with you.
Did you download the video, yesterday's video?
Yes, I downloaded and before your call, I had just uploaded that video on my channel.
Oh, really? I have subscribed to your channel, and today I was searching by your name. Then I visited your channel that you had a conversation with Shruti ma'am, English CRE
Yes,
application. So that
yes,
video got more viewers.
yes. And today I have uploaded your video. Just I finished it
I will check it out.
1 hour.
Okay, did you upload the full video or just that part, village life versus city life?
I edited the video. I have uploaded the second part, which we have discussed about village and cities.
But I was trying to download the video, but I could not download. I don't know why.
Maybe that is due to network issue because yesterday
No,
I had a
I went to my roof to download the video. There also, I was not able to download. I don't know why. Like whenever I record videos, now that time I can download. And if somebody else records the video, then I am not able to download. I don't know why.
okay, okay. I don't know, but I downloaded it today, not yesterday. I downloaded it today.
Okay.
Okay.
So today
This,
we are going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of social media. And
yes,
we can start the topic. Are you ready for that?
yes, I'm ready and I'm very excited.
Okay, but I haven't like prepared yet. Whatever I will come to my
I,
whatever things will come
yes,
to my mind about social media, I will tell.
I have
No,
also
actually,
not.
no. I was thinking that I will check it out. Yeah, I will. I was thinking that I will check it out in Google that what kind of points I can add there. But
Mhm.
like I was not feeling like checking and then delivering my speech. I just wanted to check my communication skill without preparation. So okay,
Okay,
let's start.
uh, here we can do the other thing. We can ask questions to each other related to social media. If we don't want to discuss the advantages or disadvantages, we can ask
Mhm.
questions to each other related to social media.
Okay, okay. Which platform do you use most? Which platform?
Okay, so I usually use my WhatsApp and Instagram, and sometimes I
Mm-hmm.
also use. So WhatsApp and Instagram I use to connect with my friends and family members, and of course, for learning English, I use these platforms. And what about you? What social network?
Most of the time in my case also most of the time I use WhatsApp. Within a second I open my WhatsApp and I just check it out that what kind of messages I have got there. As in the WhatsApp, even people give many status, so I check their status to get some updates about their lives, what's going on in their lives. and
Yes.
uh, and apart from WhatsApp, I use YouTube because in YouTube I watch English videos as I'm improving my English. So I most of the time I watch English videos and reels, and I have Facebook account as well. I use Facebook. These three platforms I use most, and nowadays I'm using this Skype application to get connected with people.
Mhm.
Okay, so that was the first question. Second question is that what I'm not getting.
Yes.
Okay, you can
Now,
ask me the second question.
okay, I will ask to you. Okay, the second
Mm.
question is, uh, how much time do you spend on social media in a day, and why?
Okay. When I start watching reels, in that case, I am not able to get that how much time I am spending because time flies so swiftly when I watch reels. But when I watch videos like 15 minutes, 20 minutes videos, in that case, I can say that maybe 1 hour or one and half an hour, like 20 minutes videos, maybe three or four videos I watch every day to
Mhm.
improve my English. So yeah, approximately you can say the 2 hours I spent. And what about you?
Okay, you spend 2 hours, but in my case, I spend, whenever I get free time, I go on my
Hmm.
phone, open my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and I think I spend about 4 hours. And but I want to, but I only watch
Yeah,
English. I don't watch, I don't waste my
yeah,
time,
that's good. That's good.
but
Hmm.
I
That's
try
good.
to watch English content. But
So,
sometimes
yeah.
when I
Mhm.
go get bored at that time, sometime I watch some entertaining reels like funny videos and funny shows, but most of the time I watch English content.
Yeah, same here. But in case of reels, the time is different because when I when we all watch start watching reels, that time flies so swiftly. Even maybe 4 or 5 hours, you can say.
Yes,
Hours
you
after hours pass.
yes, you can't realize, once you will
Mm.
start scroll down the reels and you are scrolling down and you are keep watching and time flies away.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it happens with many people, they just waste their time. Sometime used to happen with me. I also wasted my time by watching reels, but now I have changed my mind that I have to watch something in English so that I can learn something.
Yeah. And one more thing, yeah. One more question is there I would like to ask you especially because this question I have thought many times. So the question is,
Mhm.
whatever videos you watch in social media like in YouTube, Facebook. So if somebody asks you some questions related to those videos, are you able to answer those questions? In case of me, I would say that no. What is your answer?
Sorry, I didn't understand your question. Can you repeat again?
Ask- Yeah, yeah, of course, obviously. I asked that as you said that you watch some contents.
Your voice is
Your
cracked.
voice is, yeah, your voice was also cracking. Is it
Yeah,
clear now?
yeah, it's
Is it
clear.
clear now?
It's clear. Can you please just speak loudly so that I can hear you better? Because today my
Okay, okay,
headphone
okay.
is thing. So I have my mobile phone
Okay,
speaker.
you can. I am also not using headphone, but you can turn on the speaker. You can turn on the speaker. You can
I
turn
have,
on loudspeaker.
yes, I have turned it
Okay,
on.
okay.
Sometime in between your voice is cracking. Okay, no worries.
Same,
You,
same.
you can repeat your question. I will hear it properly.
Okay, I was asking you that asking you that whatever contents you follow in YouTube, educational contents. So if somebody asks you about those contents, that what kind of things you have learned today, summarize it. So are you able to summarize it?
Okay. Um,
Yeah.
no, I would say not very precisely. Because
Mm.
I'm a learner and sometimes I'm not able to express, full things. So I'm learning, I'm trying to do it, but I would say not very precisely.
Not properly, yeah. Not in a good way. Same here. In case of me also, especially when I start watching reels, after watching those educational reels also, if somebody asks me that what did you learn, I will not be able to answer because I don't write down on my notebook. So sometimes what I do, I open my notebook when I start watching reels or videos, whatever it is. I write down on my notebook. After that, I study. Then I can remember.
Yeah.
Otherwise, not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so next question I want to ask you that we are getting addicted towards social media. So, what do you think? Is it good for us or bad for us?
See, addiction on anything is not good. Even though it is something very extraordinary things, addiction is not good. Anything like addiction on anything is really not good, I would say. Yeah, whenever we are watching mobile hours after hours, we are looking at the screen of the mobile. So from the screen a kind of rays come out. So if that rays goes into our eyes, then sometimes we face eye strain, headache. So we will face some health issue in future if we continuously watch reels or videos because of addiction. So addiction is not good. It's not good for our health, as well as it is not good for our mind.
Yes, you are right. Addiction, and nowadays, especially the youngsters, small children, they are getting addicted towards social
They are
media.
getting addicted to social media. Especially they are addicted to games like PUBG, Free Fire. These kind of games are there, and many young generations, they are playing that game in excessive way. That's not good. They should there is a limit. They should not cross their limit.
Yes, you are right. And we know the bad effects of this thing, but still many
Mm.
people, many children, they are using mobile phones, excessively. They
Because
are
man is a deliberate sinner. Because man is a deliberate sinner.
addicted.
Yeah, actually, a human being is a deliberate sinner. They know everything what is good for them, what is bad for them. Still, they do that. They know very well that alcohol is also not good for our health. Not only for our health, but also it is not good for our wealth, because you need money to buy alcohol. So still people buy and drink it, and after that they get addicted to alcohol. This is also not good. So anything addiction is not good.
Yes, and it is up to you. It is your
Hmm.
decision how much time you are going to spend on internet or mobile phone. It is your choice. If you know that
Yeah.
you want to learn something, you have to spend this much time, then it is good. It is
We have
up
to You have to schedule a time
to
that
have
for this time. Yeah.
to use these social media things uh, very cleverly. You have to be clever that how much time you want to spend on social media.
Yeah, people are getting addicted to real life rather than real life, but they don't know that they are missing out on real life. They are going away from the real life by entering real life.
Yes, yes. I
This
have
can be a topic for discussion.
yesterday I saw a video, a reel on Instagram. Many people
Mm.
they went to Kedarnath, and that temple is full of devotees, and all people have mobile phones in their hand, and they are making videos over there, and the
Yeah.
so I saw that it was written on the reel that they all are bloggers. They came here to make
Mm-hmm.
films and videos. So yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So any other question in your mind you want to ask?
Okay. Nowadays, what people are doing, people are taking selfies here and there, even in the public place, even on the hill, even in the bank of river, in the bank of sea, on the boat, on the ship, everywhere they are just clicking selfies. So, do you feel that it's good?
Actually, some people they love to travel, and when they go from one place
Mhm.
to another, for example, if someone came in Himachal, so they just
Mm-hmm.
capture those moments. They just want to capture those moments, and they click the picture and they save in their phone. So it's good, but I think there are such places where cameras and mobile phones are not allowed. You cannot
Not
click
allowed. Yeah,
pictures over there. So you
exactly.
should
Even
be,
the places are also very risky. Like if you are busy with your camera, if you busy with seeing you on the camera, then definitely you can fall down from there, like hilltop. If you take selfie on hilltop.
yes, I have heard many news like this. There are many incidences when people came to Himachal
In
Pradesh.
the West Bengal, I will share you an incident. At first, you continue your conversation, then I will share you an incident. Okay, what happened here?
Yeah, I was telling you that there are many incidences happened in Himachal Pradesh. People come from other states. They are not aware that you are
Mm-hmm.
going to the hills, near the rivers, how risky they are, and they try to capture the pictures near the hills and near the rivers, and they fell down. And there are many cases people they lost their lives. So
Mm.
it happens everywhere.
Yeah, I was about to tell you an incident. That is, in my place, what happened? Maybe 1 year ago, a festival was going on. In that festival, a merry-go-round came, and then like it was a wheel. It was a round wheel, spinning wheel. So that girl climbed up that wheel to enjoy the like downstairs, to enjoy the, what can I say, to
Right.
enjoy the environment. And so yeah, so and to enjoy the riding, yeah, to enjoy the riding. So what happened, her hair got stuck in the wheel, and the whole skull came out. The whole skull. See, can you imagine her hair got stuck in a machine, and then her whole skull came out like this, and people could see her brain. So immediately she was admitted to the hospital, but she could not live anymore. She is no more now. She passed away there in the hospital.
Yes,
So
yes.
at that time, what she was doing, she was clicking selfie. Because of clicking selfie, that incident happened.
Yes, you
So
should be.
she was not aware about her hair, that her hair was flying in the air. So she was not aware about her hair, and she was busy with clicking selfie, and that incident happened. And because of that, she is dead now, because she was trying to click selfie. So clicking selfie can be dangerous thing if we are not aware about what is going on around us.
Yeah, yeah. We should be careful about our surroundings.
Yes.
That if there is any
Yeah.
danger, then there is no
Mhm.
need to go over there, and there is no need to click picture over there. So
Yes.
it depends on your consciousness, how conscious you are about yourself,
Yes.
about your life. Okay, Piali, I
Okay.
want to tell you that is there any place near you where you can get good connection? Because I can see that your in between your video is also freezing. Today I have uploaded your video. So
Mm-hmm.
in your video, your face was still, your voice was coming, but your face was
My face was frozen. Yeah, my face was paused and frozen like that. Okay.
yeah, yeah, it was
Yeah,
frozen
but
and frozen. So,
this is the
could
only. But this is the
play.
only place. This is actually no. It's all about the time, because the time is afternoon. In the afternoon time, I face a network issue because all the people use the network. But in the morning, I don't face any network issue.